And here's how we take 10 whiskey barrels from Rogue Brewery and turn them into 300 beer taps. Enjoy the show. Barrels are busted. Here's the staves that we're going to end up using. Next tool we're going to use is going to be the chop saw. Up next, the table saw. Next tool we use is a simple little dull chisel to remove the excess charcoal. We used Morrison 10 and jig on the table saw to make ourselves a nice little dado cut for the top of the header. The next tool for the job is a simple little brush. It's time to go ahead and take some polyurethane and seal in whatever charcoal is remaining on the staves, and then we'll go ahead and let that dry overnight. Next up in the arsenal of tools is the drill press for the beer tap insert. Next up is a detail sander. We then also use a orbital belt sander to grind down all the harsh edges. Attach the beer tap inserts with a little bit of dish soap onto our handmade threader. Apply a little leverage and watch it sink itself right in. Next tool up is a very fine paintbrush, a good eye, and a steady hand. And then there's a bunch of gluing. And then there's some more gluing. Next set of tools we use are the ones we're born with, our hands. We take a topper and a stave that's already glued, center it up, eye it up. Take a wet rag, clean off that excess glue, and add it to the pile. Then there's a bunch of drilling, then there's a bunch of hammering. There's a paintbrush to put on a couple of coats of Danish oil to seal in all that beauty. And that's how we take whiskey barrels. We turn them into sustainable beer taps. So come see what the next revolution in beer is about. And remember, grow your own.